Carlo Gavazzi's complete system for building automation is based on the Dupline field bus, which results in highly reliable and flexible solutions for all our customers. The system, which supports protocols such as BACnet, DALI, Modbus and KNX, has been developed for HVAC and lighting control to implement integrated solutions at field level. The main benefit for system integrators and installers is reduced cost and time. With this new system, installation costs can be reduced by 40 to 50%, while hardware costs are comparable with or less than traditional BMS solutions. Many Dupline components such as presence and movement detectors, CO2 temperature and humidity sensors, lux sensors and small decentral input-output modules are powered by the bus. So the installation is very easy, simply a question of multi-dropping the two-wire cable from one input-output point to the next. The savings are achieved at field level by using the flexible and cost-effective Dupline two-wire bus. With more than 150,000 installations in harsh industrial environments during the last 25 years, the robustness and reliability of the Dupline technology has already been proven. Dupline is not based on RS-485 technology, so is not constrained by RS-485 rules. This means completely free topology for the cable installation and no special cable or end-of-line terminations are required. In traditional DDC solutions, last-minute changes or future enhancements can be a big challenge. Additional input-output wiring needs to go back to the DDC controller, and there may not be any spare input-outputs or panel space available. The Dupline bus has great flexibility to deal with such situations. The system can easily be enhanced because if additional input-output points are needed, the bus cable can easily be extended and the required modules added. Fewer rules means simplified installation and less risk of time-consuming troubleshooting caused by installation faults. Thanks to the BTL-certified BACnet controller SB Web, system integrators can easily integrate Dupline with their existing building management system, regardless of brand. HVAC management takes place in the DDC controller just as before. Dupline is simply used as remote input-output. Each data point is transformed into a BACnet object, ready to be used by any DDC controller on the BACnet IP network. Dupline removes the distance and input-output capacity constraints of hardwired DDC controllers, thus allowing a project to be implemented with fewer sub-panels and DDCs. This results in cost reduction and reduced need for hardwired DCC input-output. For lighting and blinds control, the SB Web BACnet controller runs the strategy. This includes functions such as constant light control, scenario control, corridor lighting, blinds control, and scheduling. The interface to the dimmable lighting loads is implemented through the DALI bus, the standard for lighting actuators. Due to the long-distance capabilities and easy wiring of Dupline, the system is very suitable for linking multiple decentrally installed DALI controllers together. Signals from light switches, presence and movement detectors and lux sensors are managed directly on the Dupline bus using bus-powered components. The lighting control functions and the associated operating parameters can be monitored, controlled and altered from the BMS via BACnet. The lighting control system, easy to install and program, is completely scalable to any size of building. This new system for smart building controls opens up great opportunities for system integrators, not only to reduce installation costs and increase flexibility, but also to offer truly integrated solutions, combining HVAC and lighting at field level. With the two applications implemented in the same installation, the wiring and commissioning is much more effective and the sensor signals can be shared. A good example of this is presence detectors, which are needed for energy saving in both lighting and indoor climate control. Instead of having two presence detectors, one for lighting and one for HVAC, only one is needed in an integrated solution. This provides savings both in material and labor costs. The configuration of the system is easily carried out with the free SB tool that is downloadable from the Carlo Gavazzi website. The software has been developed using a state-of-the-art concept in order to have a user-friendly interface that guides the user in a fast and error-free configuration of predefined functions. At the same time, the user can also create customized applications. The SB tool also has many debug features to make testing easier. As soon as the software is connected to the SB Web controller, it scans the Dupline network and finds all the connected modules. Thanks to this feature, the installer doesn't have to worry about any addressing of the modules, since this is done automatically, saving time and drastically reducing possible errors. The BACnet configuration is also very easy because BACnet objects are automatically created for the selected signals using the same tag names. With its skilled engineering and simple but effective installation and programming, Carlo Gavazzi's building automation system is ideal for the evolving needs of the market.